Hi guys, the Blue Moon, we're discussing about the Assumption of Virgin Mary. So guys, what is Assumption? Assumption means the religious account of taking up Mary into heaven.
According to the beliefs of the Catholic Church, Eastern Orthodoxy, Oriental Orthodoxy, and parts of Anglicanism was bodily taking up of the Virgin Mary into heaven at the end of her earthly life.
The Catholic Church teaches a dogma that the Virgin Mary, having completed the curse of the earth over her earthly life, he was assumed body and soul into heaven glory. The doctrine was dogmatically defined by Pope Pius XII on November 1, 1950, in the Apostolic Constitution by exercising papal infallibility.
The apocryphal accounts of the Assumption of Mary into heaven have circulated since at least 4th century. The Catholic Church itself interprets the chapter 12 of the Book of Revelation as referring to it.
Probably composed by the 4th century, this Christian apocryphal narrative may be as early as the 3rd century. Also, quite early are the very different tradition of the 6 books Dormitation narratives.
The earliest version of this apocryphon are preserved by several Syriac manuscripts of the 5th and 6th centuries. Also, the probably belongs to the 4th century.
Hoy! What is Catholic teaching about dogmatic? On November 1, 1950, in the Apostolic Constitution, Pope Pius XII declared the Assumption of Mary as a dogma.
The Immaculate Mother of God, the ever Virgin Mary, having completed the course of her earthly life, was assumed body and soul in heavenly glory.
Pope Pius XII deliberately left open the question whether Mary died before her Assumption.
Before the dogma denomination in Dei Pare Virginis Mariae, Pope Pius XII sought the opinion of Catholic bishops, in a large number of them pointed to the Book of Genesis 13:15 as scriptural support for the dogma.
As the rational basis for the dogmatic definition, Mary being assumed to heaven as in 1 Corinthians 15:54, saying they shall come to pass the saying that is written, dead and swallowed up in victory. Thank you.
The Latin Catholic Feast of the Assumption is celebrated on August 15. In the Eastern Orthodox and Eastern Catholic celebrate the domination of the Theotokos, or the falling asleep of the Mother of God, on the same date, preceded by a 14-day fast period.
Eastern Christians believe that Mary died a natural death, that her soul received by Christian upon death, and that her body was resurrected on the 3rd day after its death, and that she was taken up into heaven bodily in ratification of the general recollection.
Her tomb was found empty on the 3rd day. Orthodox tradition is clear and unwavering in regard to his central point of domination.
The Holy Virgin underwent, as did her son, a physical death, but her body, like his, was afterwards raised from the dead, and she was taken up into heaven.
In her body as well as in her soul, she has passed beyond death and judgment and lives holy in the age to come.
The Assumption is important to many Catholic and Orthodox Christians as the Virgin Mary's heavenly birthday, or the day that Mary was received into heaven.
Her acceptance into the glory of heaven is seen by them as the symbol of the promise made by Jesus to all enduring Christians that they too will be received into paradise.
The Mary is symbolized in the Fleur de Lis Madonna.
Before her body could begin to decay, a foretaste of our own bodily resurrection at the end of time, because it signifies the blessed Virgin passing into eternal life. It is the most important of all Orient feasts and holy day of obligation.
Thank you guys for watching. We are the Blue Moon Team.